Hello and welcome to another update video on Litecoin. Here on this chart, I'm currently tracking the daily time frame. Want to start with that. I am currently tracking the move to the upside as a potential fifth wave to the upside. Yeah, this is one of the scenarios I'm tracking. In another scenario, I'm tracking a C wave to the upside in a larger B wave. In the end, the result should be fairly similar. However, please note that this is not an impulsive move up. So it is at best a diagonal pattern that started to form in July after the price bottomed here on the, that was last year. No, it was actually August, sorry, not July, August. August 2024 at around, $49 to $50. So the market started to move up from there. And we formed something that could be seen as a 1-2 setup. We had 3 waves up in a wave 1 and then a 3-wave corrective pullback. The idea is now that we are moving up in a 3-wave move, which could be a 3rd wave, okay, which I'm tracking again as an ABC structure. Then we can get a wave 4 and a wave 5. Now, I'm not entirely sure if we really will see a separate clear ABC structure in this 3rd wave. It could be that this 3rd wave is just being formed like this. A wave, B wave, and the C wave just extends. That's possible as well. What I would like to share with you is an ideal target for the 3rd wave. What the 3rd wave should reach is the 138% Fibonacci extension. And that is actually up there around $284, pretty much where this 3rd wave label is actually positioned. Now, obviously, there's a lot of uncertainty around the structure because this is all corrective in nature. So I wouldn't fully rely on it, right? It's not that this is a super clear, impulsive move up, which is super predictable. It's not. It's going to change. But therefore, we pay close attention at the moment to the Litecoin chart. So I am tracking the 3-wave move from the April low also as an ABC structure here. Probably ABC of wave A of 3. And if we then track this move up, we need to recognize that the C wave is likely a 5-wave move. It usually is. And that C wave could get one more high. Now, that was the idea. We get one more high. We've actually formed that one more high. Now, I do not cover Litecoin often in a video, but obviously it was communicated in our member updates. And we have already formed that one more high. But if I then zoom into the nanostructures, I can see that maybe we get even one more high. But it just gives you the context of where we are. We're probably in the late stages of that A wave, which is an ABC structure. And then we're in the late stages of that C wave. And within that C wave, we're in the late stages of that 5th wave. So we're in the very late stages of that local uptrend, in my opinion. But we haven't topped yet. My main support zone here, or the micro support zone actually that I'm sharing here, is between $115.67 and $122.70. So as long as we're holding above that, the focus could be on higher prices for at least one more high, which should actually reach the ideal target here at $136. Any break below $115 would open the door to a deeper pullback. And that's not necessarily bearish, but we could start this B wave support. We could start this B wave pullback, and then we'll start to focus on the B wave support area with support between $73 and $90. Yeah, that's the update on Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.